Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beautiful Garden. Immerse yourself in the serene beauty of this enchanting garden, where nature and artistry blend to create a truly magical experience. In this video, you will explore a lush, tranquil space filled with vibrant flowers, delicate foliage, and carefully curated garden decor that transforms every corner into a visual delight. Stroll along winding paths lined with blooming flowers and majestic trees. Feel the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves and listen to the soothing sounds of bird song and flowing water from a serene fountain. Every element in this garden is designed to calm the mind and uplift the spirit, offering a perfect escape from the everyday hustle. Discover hidden gems like quaint seating areas tucked under canopies of green, whimsical statues peeking out from behind flowering shrubs, and colorful planters overflowing with nature's finest. Whether it's the rich scent of roses, the cheerful sight of sunflowers, or the cool shade of an old oak tree, this garden is a heaven of peace and beauty. Join us on this visual journey through a garden that's as inspiring as it is beautiful. Perfect for garden lovers, nature enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a moment of tranquility. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with more serene garden explorations.